Welcome back to the Natural Health and Life channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of the latest videos. How do you start a low-carb or keto diet? A low-carb diet is a diet that restricts carbohydrates, such as those found in sugary foods, pasta, and bread. It is high in protein, fat and healthy vegetables. There are many types of low-carb diets out there, and among the popular weight loss trends is the ketogenic diet. Whether you're looking for how to start a low-carb or keto diet, we'll break it down for you to make it as easy as possible with these simple tips. Restrict carbohydrates. This is the most important. On average, a keto diet should be under 20 net grams of carbs per day, while a low-carb diet must be under 50 net grams of carbs a day. Limit protein intake. Low-carb is generally higher in protein than keto, but be careful with both. High-protein diets can also stress the kidneys. Excess protein also converts to glucose. So make your protein intake a goal to meet every day. More than this won't be good. Add good fats into your meals. Healthy fat keeps you full and will take the place of some of the carbs you used to be eating. Examples of healthy fats include avocado, nuts and seeds, and olive oil. Drink lots of water. Eating low-carb reduces glycogen, which allows you to burn fat, but it also means you are storing less water, making you dehydrated. Aim for 16 cups of water instead of the traditional recommendation of 8 cups per day. Keep up electrolytes. A low-carb diet, especially keto, decreases the amount of water you store. This can flush out electrolytes and make you sick. This condition is called the keto flu. You can avoid it by salting your food liberally, drinking bone broth and eating pickled vegetables. Eat only when you are hungry. Eating too frequently on a keto or low-carb diet can affect weight loss. So only eat when you're hungry. Focus on real food. Fresh, minimally processed ingredients are best. Processed foods contain sodium, preservatives, and added sugars, and this will not be good for your body. And lastly, exercise. This is not required for a low-carb diet, but recommended. You'll improve your health, feel better, and if your goal is weight loss, it will happen faster. The bottom line is, if you're going to try a low-carb diet, pick a plan that suits your lifestyle, food preferences, and personal health goals. What works for one person may not work for the other, so the best diet for you is the one you can stick to. Have you tried any low-carb diet? Share us your experience by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and see you on our next video.